Mabuhay everyone! Now, meron tayong 5 let questions at sasagutin natin siya isa-isa. But before that, paki-subscribe muna ang ating YouTube channel para always kayong updated sa mga panibagong videos natin. Let's go to our very first question, number 42. The relationship where one organism benefits while the other is neither harmed nor benefited, as seen in the interaction between orchids and trees, is called blank. A. Mutualism. B. Parasitism. C. Commensalism. D. Reciprocity. The correct answer is letter C. Commensalism. Commensalism describes a symbiotic relationship where one organism benefits, for example, the orchid, while the other organism is neither harmed nor benefited, and that is the tree. So why other options are incorrect? Because A, mutualism, no? Mutualism, both organisms benefit from the relationship, from the word mutual. Yung parasitism naman is one organism benefits at the expense of the other, harming the host organism. At yung reciprocity refers to a mutual exchange of benefits where both organisms involved provide something valuable to the others. Again, the correct answer is letter C, commensalism. For our next question, number 43, as Marcelo H. del Pilar was known as Plaridel, Jose Rizal was known as blank. A. Tagailog, B. Di Masalang, C. Pinkian, D. May Pag-asa. Alright, so in this question, it is very obvious that we have two answers, letter B and letter D, Di Masalang and May Pag-asa. So those are the pseudonyms or nicknames that Rizal was used before. Now let us analyze saan niya yun ginamit. Okay, so Di Masalang is another pseudonym of Rizal. It is a symbolic Masonic name, hence he is sometimes remembered as Hermano Di Masalang in Masonic commemorations. At yung May Pag-asa is also used by Rizal. So, ginamit niya rin yung Agno at Calambieno. So, May Pag-asa, or in English, there is a hope. So, yun, yung ginamit ni Rizal, no? Some secondary or classroom summaries misassign it to Rizal. So, yun yung ginamit niya. Alright, so, narito din yung mga iilan ng mga pseudonyms na makilala natin. Plaridel is for Del Pilar. Diego Laura is for Lopezaina. Tagailog, Antonio Luna. Naning Kalipuliko Tikbalang kay Mariano Ponce yan is also lumalabas din yan sa let. And of course, study other pseudonyms ng mga kilalang mga heroes natin. And now, teachers, it's time for you to answer the question. Number 44. The legal sector that ensures the welfare of workers and advocates for labor rights is called blank. A. Labor union. B. Senate. C. House of Representatives. D. Cooperative organization. If you know the answer, comment down below. And of course, if you have some rationality, paki-comment na din po, and let's see what's the correct answer for this. Thanks for listening and for watching. Have a good day.